In this video, we're going to go over how you can get gold fast here in Clash Royale. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, there are many ways to earn gold for free here in Clash Royale, but here are the best methods. First things first, make sure you're checking the shop daily. Sometimes you can go ahead and claim 1,500 gold for completely free. On top of that, in the free pass for the Pass Royale, there's a ton of gold crates right here and chests filled with tons of gold. Not to mention, Trophy Road and the Path of Legends is going to allow you to unlock big gold rewards like 15,000 gold multiple times, so keep pushing forward. Not to mention, every single win gives you a small gold reward, and that adds up a lot over time. Now, the most obvious one is probably going to be those lucky drops. You can earn huge amounts like 45,000 gold from legendary lucky drops, which is actually insane. But you might not have known that actually donating cards to your clanmates earns you gold as well. It's a great passive method. Speaking of being in a clan, Clan Wars chests are going to give you extra gold too. That's over 7 ways to earn gold now, so farming shouldn't necessarily be a problem. Just play the game like normal and have fun. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Clash Royale tips just like this. It really does help out the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.